This video will detail a workbook for preparation of cost estimates as per Central Public Works Department Delhi Schedule of Rates 2021. A cost estimate is generally prepared based on approved schedule of rates or rates obtained from market analysis or rates previously accepted. In all the cases, the specifications of the items are well defined towards execution of the works. While using a schedule of rates, it is often monotonous and cumbersome to type or copy-paste the description of items, units, and rates in the cost estimates sheet. Thus the process becomes slow and sometimes there may be error in extracting the items from the schedule of rates. It may be an efficient way to prepare the item list for a works if the relevant data can be found instantly just by putting the code numbers of the items in the specific schedule of rates. This will be error-free, provided the master data is so, and less time-consuming than typing or copy-pasting the items, their units, and rates in the cost estimates sheet. Delhi Schedule of Rates, DSR, 2021, prepared by the Central Public Works Department, Government of India, is widely used by various government as well as private agencies for preparation of cost estimates for works. There are two volumes, Volume 1 and Volume 2, of DSR for civil works. As stated, attempt has been made to extract the description of items, units and rates from this DSR, developing an Excel workbook. Under various subheads of DSR items, one has to select the number of item code for extracting the data available in the DSR against the code. This also multiplies the unit rate and quantity to obtain the amount for the item. This is the developed workbook on opening. There is a security warning. The macros need to be enabled. Click on the Enable content. Read the note. Now, if you are preparing a new cost estimates, select here from the drop-down list yes, otherwise no. It may take some seconds. Once selected yes, it will clear the contents of the cells under the subheads. Select tentative number of rows under each subhead depending on the requirements. By default, the value is 40. The range is between 0 and 40, 40 being the maximum number of rows. Put a value here, say 5, and drag it down. The number of rows can also be adjusted later. As per the number, it will adjust the rows. If you put here 10, the number of rows under the subhead will be 10. If there is no item under a particular subhead, put here the number as 0. Say, you are putting 0 here, the subhead, earthwork will not be shown. Let us put here the same value. You are now ready to enter the code numbers. Write the name of the work and authority. You can enter data only in code number and quantity columns. Go to the code number column. A drop-down list for all the items under the subhead is available here. You are to select the code numbers. There are main codes as well as subcodes also for some items. Say for this is the main code number and the subcodes are these. Similarly, for this item this is the main code and this is the subcode. Once the codes are selected, the unit and unit rates will be displayed like these. You are required to select all the items as per your requirements. Put the calculated quantity of the items here. On putting all the quantities, the total amount will be worked out. Here, some items are entered. There are rows here without any data. Adjust the row numbers as per the requirements to hide the rows without data. There are some entries like location adjustment, provisional sum, contingency, etc. that may be required after calculating total amount. These can be put here. Also, the amount of items obtained from market rate analysis and calculated in separate sheet may also be put here. While printing the sheet, some adjustment may require for row heights. You can adjust the rows like this. The cost estimates sheet is ready. For further details, contact at the email address cobwebconsulting@gmail.com. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.